Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video and welcome to the returning vehicle, the Ultima GTR. The Ultima has just returned, or returning on its way back, from quite an epic adventure from here down to the south coast to the Spa Classic over in Belgium. A couple of laps of the Spa circuit following the work I've recently done to the vehicle. So quite looking forward to seeing the car return. There's a list of things we need to do now in preparation for the next event, which is in like 3 and a bit weeks time. So the car should be here any minute now. And yeah, it's a scorcher today. And I know inside the car is exceptionally hot because one of the jobs is the air conditioning is, well, not working. So that's one of the big things to do. If you are new around here, haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel by hitting that subscription button down below. It really helps me. It helps grow the channel, it helps bigger and better opportunities, and it's completely free to do. So if you haven't done so already, hit that subscription button, because I am so excited for what the future holds for this channel. By subscribing, it gives me bigger and better opportunities. I get to work on some amazing cars, get to go to some amazing events and such like. And the more the channel grows, the more I can bring out to you, and the more it just helps the cycle continue. So yeah, hit that button. And until then, let's wait for this car to arrive, and back to you very soon. Back in sunny Wales. The Ultima is back following its last adventure, which went to the Spa Classic. Drove from North Wales down to Folkestone, across the Eurotunnel, and then to Belgium. Done a couple of laps at the Spa circuit before making its way back. And to be honest, it performed pretty perfectly. One slight hiccup, which was the throttle, decided to stop working. I have had this issue previously, so I need to try and look at why this has happened, but there is a fix to get it sorted, so it looks like we are okay for the time being. The car's returned in pretty good order. It's a little bit dirty, so I'm just going to give it a quick wash over before the next batch of work starts. So we did manage to get the car together using the existing clutch. So I put a new thrust bearing in, and the original clutch went back into the vehicle. Not the ideal situation and not the best practice. However, given the time frame we had and given the availability for the parts, it's the best we could come up with, and it performed perfectly with regards to that. So I have suspension to overhaul, so front and rear dampers are going to be removed from the vehicle, sent off for overhaul and refurbishment. I've got an air conditioning pump to sort, potentially looking into replacement of an oil cooler, and then there's a little bit of damage just down here on the front. So this side here I already knew about, but this side here has just had a bit of a bump. So I'm going to try and work out the best way to get this all fixed up. Whether I try and build it all back up or what. But yeah, it's not the prettiest. So there's quite a thick layer of fiberglass. So let me just take these pieces off for the time being. And then I shall try and work out how best to look at fixing this. Probably gonna have to just repair this whole section, sand it, and go from there. But see, that's gonna slightly affect the downforce. Loads of dead bugs on the car, but as I say, performed wonderfully throughout the trip, other than that one slight hiccup. So clutch, aircon, potentially oil cooler, suspension overhaul all round, and then the repair for that front. And all of this needs to be done before the Anglesey track day, which is coming up in like 3.5 weeks time. So I've got my work cut out once again. Nothing like a mad last minute rush, but this car's awesome, so it's definitely worth getting it sorted and getting it done. So give it a quick wash over now, make sure everything is as it should be, span check everything, make sure everything is tight, present, correct, before having to redo that clutch again for new components. The bits are all ordered, so I'm waiting for the clutch from America, the air conditioning pump from America. The tyres are coming from Germany. Tyres, another job to do. The oil cooler, potentially, I don't know where that's going to come from as yet, but that's another job. That's a nice to have rather than an essential thing. The horn stopped working as well, so potentially going to be a fuse that is blown somewhere, because everything else seems to be working. But I'm going to go through, give it a full electrical health check, vehicle health check, make sure everything is present and correct before it's ready for its next track day. And what's hilarious is from here, that thing looks absolutely miniature. Anyway, let's get stuck into getting this all cleaned up, and then in the next videos we'll be, well, carrying out some more works on the Ultima GTR. Ultima is now cleaned down. Oh, it's a little bit wet, but it's okay. It's now in its final resting place for the foreseeable. I've got, say, 3 and a bit weeks to get this car overhauled suspension-wise, clutch, air conditioning, tyres, a couple of electrical gremlins, ready for Anglesey Circuit. So I have my work cut out for sure. I'm waiting for delivery of parts. Once the parts arrive, then I should be able to get cracking on. And to be honest, once I get started, it's a pretty straightforward job. One of the biggest things I'm going to need to do now is to get the car all up in the air, 4 stands underneath, get the suspension dampers off, and get them packaged up and sent off for overhaul. I'm going to take some measurements of ride heights to make sure that, you know, floor to wheel arch, so that when they go back together, this car's not all over the place and I can get it set up correctly and appropriately. There's not a lot of room in the garage with this big lump in it, and I do need to tidy up still. But my plan has all changed. The plan was to have a good tidy up and a good sort out, ready for this to come back in a couple of weeks. A couple of little jobs on it, but things have changed. So yes, loads to do, not an awful lot of time to do it, but I'm very much looking forward to getting stuck in regardless. So hope you have enjoyed the content on this car previously, and hope you enjoy the next upcoming videos on this car. I'm certainly looking forward to getting stuck into the repairs. So if you have enjoyed this video and you've seen the other ones and enjoy those, and you look forward to the upcoming videos, and hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber. It's completely free, and it's something that we can all get involved with. Hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. It means I can work on amazing cars like this. And who knows, Ultima today, Ferrari ownership, hopefully one day too. So until then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye-bye. Whew, it's hot.